Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a mixture between Bluey and Shadow the Hedgehog as one character. So let's hop right into the lesson, okay? Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to draw a mixture between Bluey and Shadow the Hedgehog. So let's get started, okay? It's going to be simple, easy for beginners. You can follow along, or you could just watch me do it. You know, we could hang out. Downward at an angle. It's going to be very Bluey in nature. Curve right here for the edge of Bluey's Bluey-style nose. And we're going to pull back a line back right there. Going to go over here, pull underneath. Again, Bluey mouth type thing. Up at an angle over here, curve down. And line downward here for kind of the, we're gonna have him gritting his teeth. So like even like in a almost smile. Pulling down right here, this is where the change begins. We're gonna go over here. We're gonna pull up in a kind of quasi shadow way. Down over here. And we're going to curve underneath here. It's kind of like a Bluey. The bottom part of that is Bluey's eye, because Bluey's eye looks like a kind of an egg, but the top of is shadow, right? It's pointed. And then we're going to curve over here a little bit, because there's a little bit of like this eyeshadow thing on shadow. Let's go over here to the nose. Down over here, pull up. Circle at the end, and then we're going to fill it in. Right on. Line over here for the other eye on the far side. So we're going to do the same thing. Line up. Down over here. And then curve along the top over here. Right on. Okay. Circle right here. Circle right here. Kind of the pupil and iris. Put a little of a highlight there. We're going to fill in the rest. Highlight over here. Fill in the rest. Looks crazy right now. I like it. I like it a lot. Let's go over here for the side of the head. Up. Curve. And at that point, we got to get some eyebrows here. So curve right there like a macaroni shape. Curve right here like a macaroni shape. That's taken from Bluey. Continue on over here. Continue a little bit more. And Bluey is shaped like a phone. I always talk about this. Downward right here on this side. Curve along. And then we're just going to make that whole shape right now. Don't forget, by the way, if you like drawing how to draw, by the way, if you ever like have issues drawing cute characters, like you're not really sure how to draw them cute, maybe you're drawing your dog or your, you know, like a pet or like a cartoon or something, but you can't make it cute. Basically, I got you on that, okay? Real simple. There is a guide I created, and it basically goes over the template of cute. It goes over like kind of how large to make the head on average, because they all use pretty much the same formula, just changed up. It's kind of a larger head, larger eyes, and also what to do. And I give you choices as well. I go over kind of what types of eyes, what types of legs and arms. It's all compacted in this very, very, very like 10 sheets of like a PDF file. Very, very simple. And it's made to either have on your phone as a reference guide or you can just print it out. It's made to print as well. So the best part is it's 100% free. So it's going to be in the description. Go get that right now and enjoy it, okay? It's not going to be free forever, though. I will be, you know, probably putting, you know, stuff for it. You know, I'll probably be charging for it later. But right now, it's free. So go pick that up right now in the description, okay? So let's go over here now. We're going to go the kind of not too big of ears. I want to make them pretty small. And they're going to be more like, obviously, like shadow. And then we're going to draw triangles right there underneath. We're going to go over here now. We're going to draw, well, before we do that, let's go over here and draw the line down, line down, line down, line down for shadow-like legs. Curve over here for the arm, skinny arm like Shadow. Wrist right there. And then we're going to draw curve right there for one side of the hand and curve over here for the other. Line in, curve like so. And we're going to go over here on this side and we're going to pull up for the spike, down, in for one of Shadow's spikes. Going to go over here on this side. This is the difference between Shadow and Sonic. We're going to pull underneath and pull up. It's going to flare up. The two bottom spikes are flared up. Down right here. Up. And then down over here, same thing, another one right there. And then finally, just like the tail. Right on. So far, so good, right? Okay, stay with me. We're almost done, okay? Stick with me. Also, extra points for anybody. If anybody wants that top slot of the pinned comment, basically, I'll pin the comment if you name this guy. Okay, what would this guy be named? Bluey mixed with Shadow. What would that be? What would be the name of it? And the one I like, I'm going to pin. Okay, you're going to have that slot, and I'll leave it there forever. So, what's the name? Try it out. Going to go over here for the edge of this shoe. Down, in, up. We're going to kind of create a relatively simple shoe. Out over here. Downward over here. Out. Curve up. Out. Down. In. Hopefully that would kind of make sense right there. And we're just going to connect the top. So it's really just kind of in chunks. We're going to go over here and draw the front. Line down. Out over here. Down. Curve underneath. It's got this like circle thing underneath the shoe there. Down over here. There we go. And then if you want, we can draw the line out over here, line out over here for the other hand right there. Same thing. Again, his arms are like tubes. Really simple stuff right here. Almost done. Stay with me. Finger. Opposing thumb. Curve. Curve. And then now we're going to do the Shadow-esque stuff. So we're going to go right here. We're going to find the color change on the top of his head. We could even kind of go right here to kind of extend it. Over here on this side. Down, up. Down, up. Okay. And then we're going to do the final thing right here. The final, well, first off, I want you to go like right here. Right there to find, you know, the kind of changing color on his face. But the other thing we do is that furry part of Shadow's chest. So over here it's going to be like boom, boom, boom. And then over here on this side, boom, boom, boom. And it's going to come down to like a point, but behind there. And there you go. You got Shadow and Bluey mixed together. Again, give me a name for this guy. I am really curious about it. Like I said, you're going to have the top slot forever in that pinned comment for the one I like. Okay? So try it out. Try a bunch of them. Like, try a bunch of them. All right, stick around, and we're going to go into the next drawing lesson. So, let's do it. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So, click right here.